Good morning to everyone. Yes, I welcome you all. Class 4 Maths. Today we'll start a new lesson, that is data handling. Yes, students, in before classes, in the previous class, you already learnt about data handling. Yes, the collection of data and also pictorial graph, all you will be learnt in a previous class. So in this class we will learn here the collect the information and write in the form of a table and represent the data in a bar graph. So and explain the information given in the bar graph. So this all we will be studying in this class. Okay. So here they can given here some of the pictures of a different colored flowers. Yes. See here different color rose, then sunflower, hibiscus and lotus. They can be given here different colored flowers. Yes. So are you observing this one? Yes, so they can given here different color flowers. So by observing this picture chart, complete the table. They can be given here. Observing this picture chart, they can be given here one of the table. So what we will write here? We will count the how many roses are there and we'll write how many totally flowers. There are 4 different types of flowers are there. So we will count and write in the table. Yes, now we will start to here to complete the chart. So here serial number they can mention and here flowers. So here numbers, how many numbers of flowers are there? Okay. Yes, so this is a chart. Total how many types of flowers are there here? There are 4 types of flowers. So first one they can given here rose. So how many roses are there? We'll count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 roses. Number of roses are 10. And second one, we'll say that is sunflower. So now we'll count the sunflower. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sunflowers. Okay. And next third one, that is lotus. How many lotus are there? Lotus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lotus. And last one is that is hibiscus. How many are there? So there are total 5 hibiscus. So this is a chart of flower. Understood? So they can mention here number of flowers. So how many roses are there? 10 roses. Sunflower are 8, lotus are 5 and hibiscus are also 5. So next what we will do here? They can given here some of the questions to you. Okay. So first question they can given here. Which flowers are more in number? Yes. Tell me students, which flowers are more in number? See the chart and tell me which flowers are more in number. This is the first question. Yes. See count here. 10 is there here, 8, 5 and 5. So it means rose flowers are more in number. Yes, rose flowers are more in number. More in number. Yes, this is the first one question. Second one they can ask here question. What they can given here? Which flowers are less in number? Yes. So they can given here which flowers are less in number. So they can given here there are 2 flowers are in same number. Yes. Those are lotus and hibiscus. So both are what? Less in number. So what we'll do here? Yes. So they can asking here what is the second question. So here first one we already write here rose flowers are more in number. Okay. And which flowers are less in number? Which flowers are less in number? Here lotus and hibiscus are both are same. Okay. The next question also they can be asking here the which flowers are same in number. Yes. But here we'll write here the lotus and hibiscus are both. Lotus and hibiscus are less in number. Less in number. Yes. Third question what they can be asked here. which flowers are the same number? Same, that is comes here third question. Lotus and hibiscus are same numbers. Same number. Yes. So that is fourth question. What is the total number of flowers? Yes. Now we will be count down the total number of flowers. Okay. So 10 plus 18 plus 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 10 is total number of flowers are 28. Yes. The total number of flowers are flowers are 28. Yes. Understood this one? Yes. They can given here to answer these questions. It can be observe the table of flowers and their numbers. So we will answer these questions. We can understanding how many flowers are there and total flowers how many are there, which type of flowers are more in number, which type of flowers are less in number, or will be give the answers to these questions. Yes. So they can given here. So is there any other easy method other than observing this table? Any easy method is there? Yes, they can be given here. That is observe the graph. Yes, they can given here one of the graph that can be constructed according to the data. Okay, so I'll rub this one. Okay, here only I'll draw the graph. Yes. So this is a graph. Okay, and here I'll write this point. We can joining of these two lines will write as here, that is what? 0. And here students, we can understanding here in a graph. So writing in the graphs we can understanding here. So this is x, so this is y. We can write here. Yes. So here we'll write here, from here in the y, 0 is there already, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and here we'll write here rose, then lotus, sunflower, then hibiscus. Yes, here I'll write, so these all are types of flowers. Yes, so these all are types of flowers, and here I'll write here, these all are number of flowers. So here we'll write like number of flowers. Yes, this is types of flowers and number of flowers. Okay, and here see, now we'll start the what? To do a graph. Okay, and here see, first I'll write here rose. Okay, first see the rose. How many are there here? Roses. Number of roses 10. So here they can roses they can mention here. First we will write here the number of these number of flowers. These are types of flowers. Okay, so rose how many are there here? I will write here 10. Okay, so this is I'll draw a graph. This is rose. How many are there here? Number of roses 10. From 10 to here, this is rose. Next one word they can given here, lotus. Yes, how many lotus are there here? Just will do the mark like here. Yes, so this is what? Lotus. Okay, and next one they can given here, sunflower. How many sunflowers are there? 8. Okay, see here, we'll mark here 8. Yes, join this line to a sunflower. Yes, next one they can given here, that is hibiscus. How many are there here? 5 are there. So same height of hibiscus and also lotus. Okay, so this is the what? Graph. Okay, observe this one. So after completing this graph, you can be give the color of what? Any color. It means flowers colors. If you can be given a flower colors, but if it is what? This is a red color, give the red color. Okay, like it is. And this is whatever you can observe in that. Take any color and you will be give the color of each graph. Okay, understood? So this is the graph of what? Flowers. So you will draw these graph in a graph papers. Okay, understood? Or otherwise in notebook. Understood this one? Okay. So next one question they can given here. So yes, we can understanding this is a bar graph. Okay, so before going to the next question, we can understanding the what is the meaning of bar graph. Yes, see, the graph means here, bar graph means what? The graph of the data is represented by a straight bars. This is called as a bar graph. That what? That graph is represented by the straight bars, that we can call as a bar graph. Understood? Yes, I'll write here. See, the data is represented by straight bars. This is called bar graph. This is called bar graph. Okay, and here see, they can given here what is the meaning of bar chart. The data represented by the bars, of same breadth, then the chart is called what? Bar chart is called bar chart. Yes, so first we can understanding here bar graph and also bar chart meanings. Yes, okay, so it means here the data is represented by straight bars, that is we can call as a bar graph, and the data is represented by the bars in the same breadth of that data, so that chart we can call as a what? Bar chart. Understood this one? Okay, so next one we are going as the example. Okay, that is they can given here weight of the flowers. Example directly they can given here what? Chart. Okay, that is a bar chart. First we'll draw that bar chart, after we'll write the question and answers. Okay, yes, first this is graph. Okay, yes, so here they can mention here up to 10 numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, these all are weight of the flowers sold in kg, and here they can given here flowers: jasmine, marigold, next rose and dender. So these all are the flowers. Okay, so this is we can call as x-axis, or as we'll write here only, this is we can call as y-axis. Okay, yes. Here see students, we can understanding. First they can given here how many jasmines are there here. So there are 9 jasmine flowers. It means 9 kg. So they can be mentioned here. No, these weight of the flowers sold in kg. It means 9 kg of jasmine flower. So we'll draw the graph. Jasmine and marigold. How many are there here? 6 kg of marigold. Okay, 6 kg of marigold. Next one, that is rose. Rose are 4 kg of rose. How many? 4 kg of rose. Then dender. Those are 2 kg of dender. Yes. So this is the graph of flowers in, they can sold in kg. Okay. Yes. So with the help of the above chart, bar chart, answer the questions. They can be asking the questions. So this is 9 kg of jasmine they can sold. Yes. So and this is how much? 6 kg of marigold sold. And here see, this is 4 kg of what? Rose they can be sold. So this is a 4 kg of roses. Yes, they can given questions to you. So we'll give the answers to that questions. Okay. Okay. See here. First one. Which flowers are sold maximum? Which flowers are sold maximum? See here. Maximum means here highest. Highest. How many flowers are sold? Here. That is jasmine flower. Jasmine flowers are sold maximum. Yes. So these are sold maximum. Second one question, that is what? Which flowers are sold minimum, less in number of flowers in kg? So those are, that is, this is less in number. Yes, these are the dender flowers are sold minimum. Yes. Next question. What is the total weight of the flowers sold? What is the total weight of the flowers sold? Total flowers 9 of jasmine plus what it is? 6 of what? Marigold and rose, 4 of rose and 2 of what? Dender. So now count here how many total flowers they can be sold in kg. Okay. 6 plus 9, here 10, 10 plus 19, 19 plus here 2, there are 21 kg of flowers are sold. The total weight of flowers sold, the total weight of flowers sold 21 kg. Yes, how many kgs? Total weight of flowers 21 kg. Next one they can given here, that is fourth one question. Which are sold less than 5 kg? Less than 5 kg. Which are sold less than 5 kg means here 4 what it is? Rose and dender flowers are dender flowers are sold less than 5 kg. Less than 5 kg. Next question. which are sold less than 5 kg but more than 2 kg. More than 2 kg, less than 5 kg. That is, more than 2 kg means here, which one it comes here? That is rose. So less than 5 kg means what it is comes here? Rose. That is rose flowers. Rose flowers are sold less than 5 kg. Less than 5 kg and more than 2 kg. More than 2 kg. Yes, understood students, this is. So this chart they can given here. So the under some there 5 questions they can given. So we can give the answers of that 5 questions. Yes. So by observing this height of the bars, we can find out the details. What we can details? How many kgs of flowers are. So here they can be mentioned the weight of the flowers in sold in kgs. Yes, total how many flowers are there here? So total kgs of flowers 21 kgs. Yes. So understood this one? Okay. So next one they can given here students. That question is the details of the student participated in a different cultural competitions for the annual day celebration in a school are given in the following table. That table they can given here. We draw the bar graph and give the answer. Okay. Next question. Yes, third question they can given here, that table they can given here. So how you to represented these data in a bar graph? Now we will write the table. Name of the competition. Name of the competitions they can mention here. And here next they can mention number of students participated. Number of students participated. Yes. So chart is name of the what it is competitions are Bhavagite. There are number of students are 10. Debate, number of students are 20. Essay writing, there are number of students are 25. Elocution, that is number of students are 15. Okay, this is the chart. They only mention this chart. What we will do? So we do a what? Bar graph. Okay, that is we can be draw the bar graph. Okay, so first we will see here, they can see the number here, how many numbers are there here, up to last number 25 is there. So we can't write last number up to here. So what we will do? So we can take here 1 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter. So we can be 1 centimeter is equal to, we can considering 5 students. Okay, yes. So here we'll draw a graph. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Okay, so here I'll write 0. So first we will write here. So see the numbers how these all are. So we'll considering as here 5, 10, here like it is 25. From 0 to 25, so take a long, that is length is very long. Okay, it means length, too much of length it can be taken to graph. So now we will considering here, that is scale we can write as, here in the corner we will write as scale 1 centimeter is equal to how many students will take? 5 students. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 students. It means we will start from here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Yes, so we can considering here up to 25. Total how many last is 25? We'll write as here 30, 35, like we'll considering as, okay, up to 40 we'll write here. So here we can write as in the initial, like here Bhavagite will write here BG, debate we can write as here DC, and essay writing EW, and allocation will write mentioned here. First we'll write as Bhavagite. Okay, next one debate competition, next essay writing, next allocation, next allocation. Okay, so these all are the what name of the competitions. What these all are, will write mention here name of the competition. So this is name of competition, and here we will mention that is number of students participated. Here no number of students will writing here. So this is number of students, here name of the competitions. Number of students participated. Yes, so this is number of students participated. This is name of the competitions, which are the competitions they held here. Okay, so we'll start to draw a bar graph. So first one we can take, that is bar graph. It means Bhavagite. Yes, so how many students are participated in Bhavagite? Those are 10 members. So we can be mark the 10. Okay, and next one they can given here what? Debate competition. What they can given? Yes, they can given here Bhavagite students. How many they are? Those are 10 students. Okay, and debate competition, how many students are participated? 20 students. So we'll draw a 20 students. Okay, in debate competition. Essay writing, how many students participated? 25 students. So we'll draw 25. And next allocation, how many students are participated? Those are 15 students. Okay, so here we draw the bar graph. What it is? Yes, so we can draw the bar graph. Next what we will do? They can given here some of the questions to give the answer of question. Okay, so here first we can understanding, if the number is given in the data is less, then the bar graph can be constructed on a single sheet. Okay, and if a sheet the number of given in the data is more, yes, if the number is more given in the data, then we can suitable scale we can be selected. So this scale we will be using. What it can be representing this scale? One scale, it means 1 centimeter is equal to here 1 centimeter. So here 1 centimeter is equal to how many students participated? 5 students. So it is constructed to, it means it complete in a one sheet. Understood this one? Okay. Next they can given here to answer the following questions. So in which competition did the maximum number of students participated? So see this graph, how many means maximum number of students competition in which competition? That is essay writing. So here see, so which graph is more here? So this is essay writing. In essay writing competition, so maximum number of students participated. Yes, so in which competition did the minimum number of students participated? Minimum number of students means here 10. It means less, it is least number. Yes, so that is Bhavagite. So in the Bhavagite competition, the minimum number of students are participated. Okay, and how many students participated in the competition? Yes, total students how many are there here? So here 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. Here carry 1, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is, yes, 6 plus 1 is 7. There are total students of participated in the overall competition, that is 70 students. Yes. So among the debate and elocution, in which one did more number of students are participated? Among debate competition and elocution, so that is in between these two, what, in which competition the students are participated in more? So which one? That is elocution and debate. So it means in debate competition there are 20 members of students are participated. It means more number of students in between these two. So more number of students are participated in debate competition. Understood, students? Yes, I hope you understood this one. Tomorrow we'll continue the rest of this lesson. Thank you for watching.